In this video, I will show you how to send money from France to India. So the best exchange rate that I have found is on Western Union, where currently for €1 you get a little over 97 Indian rupees with 0 fees on your first transfer. So this may differ. You can also check out the exchange rates on Remitly and, for example, Wise by searching for them. But the best one that I have currently found is Western Union. Now from there you can then go and click on send money now, or you can first enter how much you want to send, but you can also change this later. So usually on the Western Union website you will see this and it will say send to. Now just gonna set it to India by clicking on whatever it says for you and then click India, and then from there you can click check fees. And then it will redirect you to the actual sending page. Now from here you can then again choose how much you want to send. For example, I'll say €100. Then you can choose how you want the recipient to receive the money, so you can do bank account / UPI or cash. I'll do bank account. Then how would you like to pay for the transfer? So for example, an instant bank transfer. Then click continue. And then from there you can go and create your account. So just enter your name, your last name, your email address, and create a password for your account. Now if you already have an account, you can also log in. Now after you create your account, you will see something like this, but instead of the Canadian dollar, for you it will be euro. Now here again, just make sure all the details are correct and then click continue. Then here click accept. Now here click on add new, and then enter your recipient's details. And then click continue. They also need to enter their payment details. Now I'll just use one of these recipients that I already have. So then you can select if you want to deliver the money to their bank or through UPI. Just enter their details right here and then continue. Then you will get to an overview of all the details, so review them and make sure they are correct. And if they are, confirm the transfer and go and pay for it using the payment method you picked. And then the money will be on its way to your recipient in India. So that's how you can transfer money from France to India. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.